Why are you going public right now?
Well, we're going public for a number of reasons. We're super excited to be here on Nasdaq. First of all, we want to make sure that we can pay our employees equity payments. We're really excited about that. Also, to provide liquidity to our shareholders. But most importantly, TaskUs gets to remain an independent company, and we can continue to invest in our world-class culture for the future.
All right, you're an independent company, guys, going into a market here that has gotten very competitive here over the last few years here. When you look at TaskUs here, I mean, what's sort of the main pitch that you give to potential clients here? The idea here that you offer something better than your competitors?
Yeah, we're able to attract and retain a quality of talent that's just superior because we've created a world-class culture. If you look at our Glassdoor score, currently we sit at a 4.7. We attract and retain the world's best talent. We combine that with world-class technology to deliver solutions to the fastest growing, biggest innovators in the world.
Right. So this year we've been talking a lot about these gig economy companies, the creator economy companies. How are we making sure that all of these employees are getting what they need to survive in this new economy?
Yeah. Well, for us, what's important is we listen to our employees. We have frequent surveys. And so even though COVID's been really tough for us, as most of our staff, almost all have worked from home, we've increased our capacity for mental health support and other services that make sure our employees are engaged, working from comfortable workstations, and feeling good about working at TaskUs for our innovative clients.
Interesting. We've got a mental health focused business joining us a little bit later, Cerebral, on later in the show. I'm interested in the global perspective you have right now, guys, because, of course, you're across US, Europe, Asia, Latin America. Is there wage inflation happening anywhere? How much more valuable are the workers that you're currently hiring and placing becoming?
Yeah, so I mean, at TaskUs, we've always aspired to pay above market wages and create incredible benefits for our employees. The market is getting more and more competitive every day, particularly for the kind of specialized services that we're looking to attract and retain at TaskUs. Globally, that's definitely present, and it's no more present anywhere than here in the United States, where we've seen ongoing wage pressure. But in truth, for the types of services we're delivering for our customers, we're feeling very good about where we sit today.
All right, you're a public company now, which means a lot more scrutiny, guys, over what shows up on your income statement, your balance sheet, and of course those cash flow statements here. For those investors here who are sort of trying to divine where revenue growth is going to go, where profit margins are going to go, what's the general argument that you give them here that this is the better long-term investment?
Yeah, for us, we think we've got the right combination of clients in a really high growth sector, the best employees and culture around by far. And if we can do those things together and mix great clients with great people, we're going to create innovative solutions that allow us to continue to grow for the years to come.
How much are your fortunes tied to those of your clients? We know Coinbase is a client, for example, and again, their fortune is tied to something else too, right? When we talk about cryptocurrencies, does their success beget your success? And if they hit a hiccup, do you guys face hiccups?
Yeah, I mean, ultimately, we are aligned with our customers, and our customers are a broad swath of technology disruptors. You know, we ultimately see TaskUs as tied to the success of the overall digital economy. So there may be bumps in one part of the digital economy while other parts of the digital economy's growth accelerate. You know, we're tied to the entirety of the digital economy, and this is why we've seen our company grow. We've grown at a 60% revenue CAGR over the last 4 years, and we're really excited about the prospects going forward.
Jaspar, I mean, you guys look excited. I love how upbeat you sound, how upbeat you look. I'm interested in, therefore, when there are, you know, some slowdowns in certain areas, some pickups in other areas of the digital economy, where is running super hot right now for you? Where can you not place enough people? Where is everyone demanding for talent?
Yeah, we're seeing a lot of demand in fintech. That's certainly one area that's explosive right now, not just in crypto. We do have some great crypto customers, but also lots of challenger banks and lenders and other people that are really shaking up the global financial institution. So we see that sector amongst all of ours. I mean, our clients, and if you think about the pull forward demand from COVID, there's a lot of just digital trends that have accelerated. So we're seeing growth across almost all of our client base, but that's one in particular that we're excited about the prospects of going forward.
All right, one more tough question for you here. This is a live program. A viewer actually writing in wants to know what your weighted cost of capital is and how well you cover it.
Yeah, I mean, at this point, we defer those questions to our CFO, and he's currently celebrating. So we're looking forward to getting back together with them to celebrate what is an incredible day for TaskUs.
Any parts of the digital economy that we should be looking for a slowdown from?
Not that I can think of. The digital economy is on fire. We saw some slowdowns throughout COVID in things like travel and entertainment, of course, but those have started to come back online in full force, and the digital economy is kicking.
All right, guys. Oh, actually, one final question. I said the hard question. Here's the hardest question. You two have been friends for a long time here. Is this going to change you? Is this going to break you guys up?
Absolutely not. We've been friends for 2 decades across multiple businesses, a few failed business ventures. But at the end of the day, this all comes down to an ability to communicate effectively, transparently, vulnerably. I got to say that my friendship with Jaspar was the best preparation I've ever had for being married.